A batch file is a list of commands that you can execute on your computer. It's useful when you need to repeat a process several times, and it's very easy to create. You don't need any special software or special knowledge. With a batch file, it is possible to copy, rename, remove files, etc. You will need a simple text editor, list of the batch commands, the operating system console. Getting started. The idea is simple. You write a list of the commands and you save the file. Batch files are executed by every line being executed in order until the end is reached or something else stops it, such as the key shortcut for terminating batch processing, Control-C. In order to create a batch file, you need to know the MS-DOS commands. If you don't know them, you can find them in the console by using the help command. Step 1. Open a simple text editor, like Notepad, and create a new file. The text doesn't need any special format. Warning: do not use editors with format, like OpenOffice or Word. Step 2. In the editor, write the commands like in this example. CLS echo hello world pause. Remember that writing a batch file is almost the same as using a console, so you can use commands like copy c:\archivo.txt, c:\archivo2.txt. If you aren't sure about how to use any command, you can get help in the console by executing the command and /?. There are other things you may know. If you don't like when you execute a batch file and see the commands, you can use @ before the commands that you don't want to show. For example, @cls. If you are not sure about a command, you can use the word rem before the command. This means that when the file is executed, the command won't be executed. For example, @remdel*.bmp. Step 3. You have to save the file as .bat. For example, file1.bat. Now you are ready to use the batch file. Just go to the file and execute it. Don't forget, if the batch file has a reference to a file, you need to put the path or be sure that the files are in the same folder. Warning: be sure that you didn't save the file as a .txt. Fun fact: DOS batch files have the file name extension .bat. Batch files for other environments may have different extensions, for example, .cmd or .bat in the Microsoft Windows NT family.